Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your scarf to make a hairband. So keep watching this video to see how you can transform your scarf into a hairband and that looks really cute. So let's begin. So I'm taking my scarf, and that's a big scarf, and I've folded it to make a triangle, and then I'll fold it furthermore to make small triangle, and then now I'm rolling it just like this until I reach till the end. So yeah, it's rolled like this. Now I'll be taking my scarf that I've just folded and I'll place it on the top of my hair, and then I'll make a knot. So you can make one knot or two depending on how tight you want your hairband to be. Here I'm going with the one knot, and now I'll tuck in the ends of my scarf inside my hairband just like this. It is quite easy to tuck it in. And it's done. So this is the final look of my hairband. I hope you liked it.